Welcome back, ladies and gents. Episode 3 in the van with Trevor. Whoa, whoa, whoa! So, reverse. In fact, stop where you are.
Why?
There's a fucking cat here.
Is there?
You nearly ran over the cunt. You are. You reverse back. You on its paw. Reverse.
It's fucking legged anyway. It's over there, mate.
Sorry about that. Trevor just pulled on Phil's Fab Lab onto his drive and didn't realise there was a cat there. Ironically, he just pulled straight onto its foot. What I am showing you though is Trevor's brake caliper bracket. What do you reckon?
Spot on. Spot on, mate. Bit of wood.
What he's going to say,
Wrong seal.
if any of you want a brake caliper bracket, Trevor's the man. He's going to run seal it. Would you say creosote or run seal?
Engine oil. Bit of engine oil.
Bit of engine oil. That'll do him. That's for his Sierra.
Anodise it.
So, secret location, Phil's Fab Lab. Can't go into details, but we'll catch you. We are Phil's Fab Lab.
Shit house.
Shit house. Phil's Manta.
Boyd Fox is in the house.
Yeah. Boyd Coddington's long lost Sunday. You're a good looking fucker as well.
Tell you what, fuel tank's coming on again, isn't it?
Fuel tank is coming on, mate. So every
What
time
are
I
you
go,
breathing for?
so every time I go to your lasses, she gives me a biscuit, pal.
That's alright then, isn't it?
What did you say, Phil?
That must be why I'm losing weight.
Hey boy.
Yep. So, what's the rundown for? What's this all for?
Heater box.
Heater box.
Oh no, look.
Oh yeah.
It blows onto it, so it blows onto his feet.
Nice bit of top fab work. Phil's redone all chassis rails. It's a shame he's going to get beat by an Escort. This is Phil's CAD design. What's that say? Swan leg Manta B.
That's it.
You boy.
Matches my wood.
We'd like
wooden
to. We'd like to know why you've got pictures of Escorts. We'd like to know why you've got pictures of Escorts on your wall. Is that because you secretly want to own Fords?
No mate, I'm not gay. Just stop people taking it away, you know what I mean? People don't bitch at them.
Well, yeah, no, Phil, it's coming on. Let's have a look at your pedal box. GTE weapon. Phil's Slammer. Roll in. Coming on well, Phil. Coming on well. So, Phil's Manta. The idea with Phil's Manta was to get it done for his lad's prom, which is why he's had a big push on. Trevor's done a lot on it. I've done bits and bobs. Phil's broke his back on it. Next video you'll see, obviously, with the delayed upload, we've kind of like missed a good bit, but I've tried to cram everything in, so I'll just carry on now.
I'm gonna put an 8-ball on it, mate.
Oh yeah, he's shifting it a lot, mate.
Just fucking making it nice on me, mate.
Yeah. Shows how it goes through gears, mate.
First, second, third, fourth, second, fourth, straight into fifth, mate. We're about 160. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, not the best of things to happen during a restoration. Phil was on his own welding underneath. Something inside caught fire, not a clue. Don't know what it was. Thought it was roller masking tape, but I don't think he thinks it was that. So, just goes to show, keep a fire extinguisher ready. They were lucky really, his garage didn't go down. However, he's cracked on. He's sourced all the bits, rest of the interior is broke, seals, with a strict deadline, cracked on, so fair play to him. Really buttoned up, so I'll move on.
Just pretty late shift, aren't we?
Fresh car builders, mate, aren't we? Not we?
Yeah, boy.
Shall we roll?
So yeah, night before the prom, MOT were booked in for the Manta. Pretty much everyone had hammered it. Don't think that morning we left Phil's garage until 2:30 in the morning, ready for 9 o'clock MOT. Got it booked in for MOT and the prom that afternoon really, so fingers crossed there were no issues. So just a couple of little niggles, but nothing what you know what we've not got going on. But yeah, fair play to Phil. He's fucking really cracked on. Fucking nearly made him senile, I reckon, to be honest. But yeah. So yeah, that was on our way to Guy Martin's pub to watch the Wall of Death. Good night, to be honest. Yeah, so I'll show you a clip of fun we had while we were there. Probably gonna wrap this episode up of that. Got plenty of other stuff what I've got to put on, so I'll touch on that on the next episode. But yeah, pretty much all about Phil's Manta. So now it's been cracking. Plenty of runs out. Frequent over to Jap night over at Squires, show them some proper cars instead of all these Japanese shite. What's up, Ben? So with Jap cars like? Shite. Jap shite. But yeah, no, it's been spot on. Had some good laughs. Laughing at Phil doing a one tyre fire. No, we've had a good laugh. All had a good thrash out. Had a good thrash back from Marrowbone and Cleaver, which is Guy's pub. Guy and Sally Martin's pub. No, good laugh. So more antics to follow.